This will be a video tutorial on how to enable auto replies in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. To enable auto replies in Gmail, the first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to where you see the gear wheel, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says See All Settings and click on that. Now I am under the Generals tab here, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom to where I see it says Vacation Responder. It says sends an automated reply to incoming messages. Right here is where you turn it on. By default, Vacation Responder is off. You just toggle it on right here. You can define what day to start the Vacation Responder on, and you can check this little box over here to set a date to turn it off if you would like. You could type a subject in. Then you could go down to the message and type what you want your message to read. And then you can determine if you want this message only sent to people in your contacts. If you want it only sent to people in your contacts, you would check this box here. Then you would just click on Save Changes. Now when you go to your inbox here, at the very top, you'll see it says Not in Office. And you can end it right here by clicking on End Now. Or you could click on Vacation Settings to go back to the settings. I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to click on End Now because I'm not actually out of my office. And that's how you turn it off. But that is how you enable auto replies in Gmail. Thanks for watching.